Reserve Bank of India has put out the applications that have come in, a list of applications that have come in for on-tap licenses for setting up a universal bank or a small finance bank. Now, first, let's take a look at what exactly is a small finance bank. Well, this was set up as a category by the Reserve Bank of India specifically to cater to unserved and underserved sectors and small marginal farmers, small businesses. That is the reason why small finance banks were set up, and now 4 applications have come in for on-tap licenses for these small finance banks. And also for the universal bank, well, a universal bank is a bank that offers retail, wholesale, as well as investment banking all under one roof. So let's take a look at what are the exact applications that have come in and which are the names that are there in this. There's a UAE Exchange and Financial Services, which is also called Unimoney. They had applied back in 2017 as well. The company is into foreign currency exchange. They are into money transfer and a lot of other services. So this is again that they are applying for the on-tap license for a universal bank. There's the Repatriates Cooperative Finance and Development Banks, the REPCO Bank, which is a cooperative bank. There is Chaitanya India FinCredit, which is backed by Sachin Bansal. His company, Navi Technologies, owns a majority stake in the Chaitanya India FinCredit company. So Sachin Bansal has also put forth his entire plan to set up this universal bank, and that is the application that has been listed. There's also ex-Citi MD Pankaj Vaish, who has applied with a few other people. So there are these 4 applications that have come in for the universal bank. If we take a look at the small finance bank, there's Vsoft Technologies, there's Calicut City Service Cooperative Bank, which is specifically based out of Calicut and serving the needs of the city. There's Akhil Kumar Gupta, there's Dwara Kshetriya Gramin Financial Services, which is a private trust, and it is serving people as well as enterprises in remote rural areas. So that is the function of the Dwara Kshetriya Gramin Financial Services, and these are the 4 applications that have come in to set up a small finance bank. Now remember, it was in just in March 2021, 22nd March is when RBI had put out the constitution, the composition, as well as the role of the Standing External Advisory Committee, which will be evaluating these applications. So the next step will be that this committee will evaluate these applications, will go through the details, and that is when we'll know that which of these applicants will actually get the licenses or not. To just take a look at when the regulations had actually come out, the guidelines were put out by RBI back in August 2016 as well as December 2019. So quite a few interesting names there, especially Sachin Bansal owned Chaitanya India FinCredit, UAE Exchange and Financial Services applying again. There's Akhil Kumar Gupta as well of Bharti, ex-Bharti Enterprises. So all these interesting names coming in, 8 applications in total have been received.